Many people want to start a business but think they need a lot of money. This video proves otherwise. You don't need huge capital to start. All you need is the right idea, strategy, and dedication. These 5 businesses, t-shirt printing, popcorn, pancake, ice cream, and biocharcoal, are easy to start with minimal investment, in high demand with a guaranteed customer base, highly profitable with quick returns on investment, scalable, meaning you can start small and grow big. We'll cover everything from what equipment and raw materials you need, how much capital is required to get started, step-by-step business setup, how to find customers and market your business, tips for growth and expansion. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge to start your own business immediately. Stay tuned, take notes, and if you're serious about starting a business, let's get started. 1.3. What you'll learn. 4 minutes. The machines and raw materials you need. How much capital is required to get started? Step-by-step setup and operational strategies. Proven marketing and customer acquisition techniques. How to scale and grow each business for long-term success. Chapter 1. T-shirt printing business. 40 minutes. 1.1. Understanding the business and profit potential. 5 minutes. Custom t-shirts are always in demand for events, sports teams, schools, churches, and businesses. A single printed t-shirt costs $3 to $5 to produce, but can be sold for $10 to $20 depending on quality and design. 1.2 required equipment and startup costs. 10 minutes. Heat press machine. Essential for vinyl and sublimation printing. $200 to $500. Sublimation printer. Optional. For full-color designs. $250 to $400. Vinyl cutter. For cutting text and designs. $300 to $700. T-shirts and heat transfer. Vinyl. Sourced from wholesalers. 1.3. Setting up and making first sales, 10 minutes. Choosing your niche, sports, corporate branding, events, etc. Finding suppliers, where to buy blank t-shirts and printing materials. Designing your first prints, how to create eye-catching designs. Costing and pricing, how to calculate profit per shirt. 1.4. Marketing and scaling strategies. Using Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp business for sales. Partnering with event organizers and schools for bulk orders. Expanding into custom hoodies, caps, and tote bags. Setting up an online store for wider reach. Chapter 2. Popcorn business. 2.1. Why the popcorn business is profitable. Low-cost ingredients with high profit margins. Demand in cinemas, schools, offices, and street vending. 2.2. Machines and raw materials needed, 10 minutes. Popcorn machine, budget-friendly options, $50 to $300. Corn kernels, oil, and flavors, where to buy in bulk. Packaging and branding, simple, attractive bags can increase sales. 2.3. Setting up and first sales. Best locations, high traffic areas like schools, markets, and parks. Selling price and profit margin. A bag of popcorn costs 10 cents to 20 cents to make, but sells for $1 to $3. Adding flavors, caramel, cheese, chocolate, and spicy options. 2.4. Marketing and expansion strategies, offering free samples to attract customers. Partnering with movie theaters, schools, and local stores. Expanding into microwavable packaged popcorn. Chapter 3. Pancake business. 3.1. The demand for street pancakes. Pancakes are a popular street food eaten for breakfast and snacks, high profit margins and low ingredient costs. 3.2. Equipment and ingredients needed: gas or electric griddle, $100 to $300. Mixing bowls, measuring tools, and spatulas. Ingredients: flour, eggs, sugar, butter, milk. 3.3. Setting up and selling. First pancakes. Best locations: busy streets near offices, schools, and bus stations. Creative pancake recipes: chocolate, banana, honey-filled pancakes. Pricing and profitability: a pancake costs 10 cents to make, but sells for 50 cents to $2. 3.4. Growth and marketing strategies: setting up a mobile pancake cart, using social media for special orders and deliveries, partnering with coffee shops and supermarkets. Chapter 4. Ice Cream Business 4.1. Why ice cream is a profitable business, high demand due to hot weather in Africa. Customers include kids, adults, schools, events, and tourist areas. 4.2 Equipment and ingredients needed budget ice cream maker, $200 to $500. Blender and mixing bowls, milk, sugar, flavoring, and fruits. 4.3 Selling ice cream and making first profits. Choosing a location. Near parks, beaches, schools, and shopping centers. Different ice cream flavors. Vanilla, chocolate, mango, strawberry. Setting competitive prices. Cost per serving 30 cents, selling for $1 to $3. 4.4 Growth and expansion strategies, offering mobile delivery services. Selling to cafes, supermarkets, and restaurants. Creating branded ice cream cups. Chapter 5. Biocharcoal Business 5.1. Why biocharcoal is a growing industry, eco-friendly alternative to wood charcoal. High demand from households, restaurants, and businesses. 5.2 Equipment and raw materials needed budget, biocharcoal machine, $300 to $1,000. Raw materials, coconut shells, sawdust, corn husks, etc. 5.3 Producing and selling first batches, making charcoal briquettes, step-by-step guide, best packaging for selling, bags and bulk supply options. Cost and pricing strategy, cost 50 cents per kilogram, selling at $2 to $5 per kilogram. 5.4 Scaling and business growth strategies, selling to supermarkets and wholesalers, targeting export markets, partnering with environmental NGOs. Conclusion, recap of the 5 business ideas and their profitability. Encouragement to take action and start small. How to reinvest profits to grow each business. Call to action. Like, share, and subscribe for more business ideas. 6.1 Recap of the 5 profitable businesses. We've covered 5 powerful business ideas that require a small budget but have huge profit potential. T-shirt printing business. A booming industry where you can supply custom apparel for schools, businesses, and events. Popcorn business. A simple yet highly profitable snack business with consistent demand. Pancake business. A street food favorite that requires low investment but delivers high returns. Ice cream business. A high-demand, high-profit business, especially in warm climates. Biocharcoal business. An eco-friendly alternative to wood charcoal with rising demand. Each of these businesses offers a unique opportunity to start small, scale up, and achieve financial success. 6.2 How to get started today. Starting a business is all about taking action. Here's what you can do right now. Choose one business that interests you the most. Set a budget and list the equipment and raw materials you need. Find suppliers and research your local market. Start small, test your products, and get customer feedback. Reinvest profits to grow and expand your business over time. Remember, success comes from taking the first step. Don't wait for the perfect moment. 6.3 Scaling and expanding for long-term success. Once you start making profits, expand your product line, e.g., add hoodies to t-shirt printing or flavored popcorn options. Market aggressively using social media, word of mouth, and partnerships. Automate and upgrade equipment to increase production and profits. Consider bulk sales and exports for long-term scalability. 6.4 Final motivation and call to action. Africa is full of untapped business opportunities. The key to success is starting, learning, and growing. Which business are you starting first? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth business guides. Your future is in your hands. Go start your business today. Blast off.